Hi viewers, today we are going to discuss about how to save this AutoCAD file and how to export this AutoCAD file to PDF. First of all, we have to save this diagram. Go to Save As option. Here we have to name the diagram as you wish. Like this. Just click on save. It will be saved. So after that we are giving any plan in AutoCAD. We have to view this in PDF model to anyone. Why? Because if you take a picture or any screenshots, here it will be not visible. If you are send it in PDF, it will be observed at every corner. Like this zoom in option, like this we have to see all the dimensions like this. We have to observe every corner by the option of zoom in option. Zoom in and zoom out. Next, we have to take this file and export to PDF. Just give the command of plot. Just click on plot option. Here we have the plot. Just click on OK. Here we have different types of options here. Printer or plotter, we have to change here the name as AutoCAD Drawing to PDF PC3. Just select this and here we have to give the A4 size like this 8.5 or 11, that means 8.5 by 11 inches sheet. If you want this, you have to select this paper like this. If you don't want, you have to select different types of sheet and papers. But in all this, we have to take this only this standard. Here we have the what to plot. Here I want to take the display. When I take a window, it will be back. In this, I want to select from one corner to another. Like this. If here the total object will be selected. Here this is our copies, number of copies 1. And here the inches and feet scale. It is fitted to paper when you are on or off. Here the center the plot. That means the object is center of this paper. Center the plot. Okay, here just observe when I am click on portrait. Here the option is in changes like this. When I am click on landscape, it is in vertical. So as you wish, you have to take horizontally or vertically. I am taking landscape only. Just preview, you just see this like this. When you are zooming the total corner to corner, it will be shown very perfectly. Here I am giving the windows and the doors all are in colors, but here these all are invisible like black. What is the reason for this? Again click on enter. The option is visible like this. Here it will be changed. When you are click here as none, just go to preview. Here the visible doors and windows are taken like which I am taking color is visible like same color. It will be in center of the paper also. These are very in clarity like this. Okay, again I am pressing enter. Here when you change to monochrome, the building will be changed the black and white. When if you don't apply hatch, these are totally in black and white. Here the hatch color will be visible only when you are take it on monochromatic. Just click on S and go to preview. If you delete hatch, the total 2D diagram of your building will be in only black and white, black lines on white sheet. If you delete a hatch showing like that, when I click this, when you zoom out, the object will be like this. When you zoom in, the total corner to corner, the dimensions and the text will be like very clarity. Okay. Then again, click on enter. Here, if you want portrait, it will be changes. Up to now, I want to click on OK. Here you just give me file name. I want save this location in desktop location. So building model PDF, it will be changed as plot area or 2D building plan or floor plan. Here just click on save. You can download PDF viewing applications. When you go back, just click on this. Here our plan will be saved in desktop. When you are opening, like this, our PDF will be saved. If we have PDF here is in our install, it will be like our PDF. I have only Word, so that's why it will be in Word. Okay, like this you have to save your files, AutoCAD files to PDF. Okay, thank you.